Hey guys, so today I wanted to bring you a bag full of what I consider to be hidden gems from the drugstore. These are products that I feel like no one talks about. There's not enough recognition and love given to these products from the drugstore. So if you guys are curious to see what's in my hidden drugstore gem bag, then just keep watching. And just so you know, I did do a rose gold hair tint on my hair earlier in the week, and this is what's left over after one wash. I will link the video trying this product down below or at the very end of the video somewhere so that you guys can check that out. So that is why my hair is slightly pink. On my face today, I'm wearing the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Foundation. I'm wearing the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. I am wearing a little H&M blush and the Natasha Denona Tropic palette along with my Monsieur Big Mascara. So that's kind of what's on my face. Oh, and the L'Oreal Lip Dew from the Havana collection on my lips. So let's jump right into the hidden gems from the drugstore. First up, I have this 3D Contour Artist palette from Ruby Kisses. This is a CVS only brand, I believe. I feel like this would work for every skin tone. You have like one shimmer shade down here, you've got a banana shade, you've got a matte kind of light shade, or a deeper shade, but this would work for highlighting if you have a deeper skin tone. You have a cool tone, a contour, a light bronze, kind of like a reddish bronze, and a deeper bronze. I feel like this works for a lot of skin tones and it's very affordable, and no one talks about this at all. Next up, we have something from Target. This is the Sonia Kashuk Quick Clean Dry Brush Spray. I think this works really, really well. You can get it at Target. You just spray your brush, wipe it off, and it's good to go for the next color. I think this is amazing. It's one of the best ones I've tried, and nobody talks about it. A sponge that I personally love. This is the Maybelline Facestudio sponge. I used it today, which is why it's all dirty. It's flat on the one side, has a nice tip, round on the bottom. Like I use this side for my contour, this side for my concealer, this side for my foundation and cream contour. It's just, it works so well, and no one talks about this. When you hear about the Beauty Blender, you hear about Real Techniques, you hear about Eco Tools, no one talks about the Maybelline sponge. Why? Some face sprays that I adore are from Pixi. I don't love this rose one, but I'm using this one up in place of my glowy skin mist, which is the one that I love. So this is the Rose Glow Mist from Pixi. I personally love just the Glow Mist from Pixi. It's just like this, but it comes in like a green bottle instead of the pink one for the rose scented one. That is my favorite glow mist right now, and it's super affordable. It's from the drugstore. It's probably between $10 and $20, somewhere in there. I really like it. I think it works really well, so check it out if you're looking for a good drugstore glow mist. Some lip products I've heard no one talking about, and I know these are newer. They're from the Gold Addiction collection from L'Oreal. They look like this. They're beautiful. I have an entire swatch video of this. This one is right here. It just gives you like this tan color with just a hint of sheen to the lips. It makes it look so healthy and natural, and I've been wearing this one a ton. This one is $9.52, and then $9.50 and ever so slightly cooler. Well, not lighter, it's just a cooler tone. There are these beautiful like sheen lipsticks that just make the lips look so healthy, and I don't know why no one has talked about them. Plus, the packaging is beautiful. So if you're looking for like a hint of sheen, like comfortable lipstick, check these out. Skincare. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair line. I love this line. I went back to using this a couple months ago, and I feel like my skin just feels healthier. It feels a bit tighter. I just really like what this does for my skin, and no one talks about it. You hear about La Mer, you hear about Sunday Riley. Why not Neutrogena? It's really good. I also love their hydroboost line. Really great skincare lines for affordable prices. A foundation that I haven't heard anyone talk about in at least 6 months is the Hard Candy Glamoflage, and excuse mine, it's got some fur stick to it from the sticker where I peeled it off. I think this is a beautiful foundation. It's full coverage. I feel like it lasts a good amount of time. You can find it at Walmart, so very easily accessible. I just think it's beautiful. No one talks about this one. It says Invisible Camouflage Foundation. Have you tried it? Let me know below. I have a lot in here, guys, because I feel like there's a lot of things that people don't talk about. This one you guys have seen in my favorites videos. You've seen in my LA Girl try-on video. I am obsessed with this powder. It is the Luminous Glow Illuminating Powder in the shade Sunkissed. It's like peachy gold. I use this on the cheekbones, and then I use this all over the face if I just want like a healthy glow. It's beautiful. It's perfect for my skin tone, so if you're a similar skin tone to me, you would love this. It comes with a poof inside. If you want to apply it all over the face, you can, or has a little pore holes if you want to just dip a sponge in there. I'll just show you what it looks like here. You can kind of see like that hint of gold sheen on the cheeks. It's beautiful. I feel like you can't go wrong with this one. It's just gorgeous. No one talks about this. Why? It's so good. A liquid glitter that I think is newer to the market, but again, I haven't heard anyone talk about it, is the NYX Glitter Goals. This one is in the shade Polished. I love this one. It's like a champagne-y gold with like, I don't know, a hint of maybe silver. It's just stunning. It's beautiful. It's easy to apply. Definitely a dupe for the Stila Glitter and Glows. Amazing. Check these out. They're on displays right now, I believe. If you see them, check them out. An eyeliner that no one talks about, and a brand that really no one talks about, is the MUA, which is the Makeup Academy Professional line from CVS. I personally really like their liners. This one is their like emerald green one. What's it called? All right, well, I'm not seeing the color name on it anywhere, but the black is insanely black. The green is very pigmented. I use these in the waterline. I use these along the lash line. They're really good and no one talks about them. The Makeup Academy gel eyeliners. Pick them up. A brush that gets a little bit of love here and there. This is the Wet n Wild blending brush. They're like $2 or $3. You can get them at the dollar store. You can get them at CVS. You can get them at Walgreens. They're in the Wet n Wild section. I love these blending brushes. I probably have 6 or 7 of them and no one talks about them. They're amazing and they're affordable. Can't go wrong with that. A cream shadow that has not gotten any love since it launched pretty much. These are the Revlon Colorstay cream eyeshadows. I have the bold and the matte versions. This is my favorite from their first collection. This one is, I forgot. They don't have the names on the original packaging, but this one's number 715. It's just a beautiful kind of like peachy matte shade, and it's great for an all over the lid color to cancel things out. It reminds me of like a MAC paint pot type of thing. So I love this one, and I love that it has the little brush that you can use if you need a brush in a pinch. I also really like their shimmer shades for kind of the inner corners. This one is 805 Stardust. After the first launch, they started adding the names to the stickers so that once you take off the wrapping, you still have the name. So definitely improvement. Good job, Revlon. But I think these are beautiful. They last a long time. They're probably my favorite cream shadow from the drugstore. Another shadow that is overlooked are the NYX, what are these called? I want to say these are called the prismatic shadows. They come in all sorts of different colors. They're highly reflective and almost like metallic. I personally love this mermaid one, this mint one. You don't hear people talk about this much. But I mean, that's the color. It's beautiful as like an inner corner highlight and all over the lid shade. The silver one is beautiful. This one called Girl Talk is really cute too. It's like a champagne-y peachy silver shade. So pretty. Right here. And no one talks about them anymore. I feel like there are so many shadows out that single shadows just kind of get lost in the shuffle. But these are adorable and beautiful. An all-over face glow powder that I have been loving for the last 6 months or so. This is the Physicians Formula Powder Palette Mineral Glow Pearls. This one's beige pearl. They do have different shades, so depending on your skin tone, you might want one that's lighter or deeper. It's just a beautiful beige color powder. And then all over the skin, it just gives you like this beautiful luminosity to the skin without adding too much color. I just think it's beautiful, and I feel like it gives kind of like the MAC and like more expensive powders a run for their money. It's really nice. A contour palette that I have been loving on and off for last year. This is the Pixi and Mariam Maquillage collab palette. I like that these are more yellow tone contour powders, and no one talks about this one. So you've got like a warmer contour, a cooler contour, a shimmery like bronzer, and then 3 highlights, which are also beautiful. And I can wear this on my skin tone, and no one talks about this one. Another nice product from Pixi. A bronzer that I've been obsessed with for the last 6 to 8 months is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. It looks like this one. It's a giant pan. It has just a hint of sheen to it, but the color is so beautiful. It's so soft. It's right here. I just love this color. And the fact that you get 0.41 ounces is amazing. Comes in 3 shades. No one talks about this. It's just this beautiful kind of cool toned all over bronze for the face. I love it. This one is in the shade Light. I do have the other 2 if you guys want to see them swatched, let me know. A blush that gets no love on YouTube. These are the Covergirl True Blend blushes. They look like baked blushes with like a color swirl to them. And they just have this beautiful kind of glow to them and color. It's just this, like this one is beautiful. This one's number 200 medium rose. I haven't worn it a lot lately, but it is just so beautiful, and I feel like no one talks about it. A beautiful, like, light glow blush that just looks stunning on the face. A lip gloss that I have loved for years. This is the Neutrogena Hydroboost Hydrating Lip Treatment with Hyaluronic Acid. It plumps your lips, it helps to hydrate your lips, it helps to heal your lips. I just feel like this is a go-to. I keep it in my bag, I keep it in my makeup drawer. It's amazing. Why aren't people talking about these? Another lip product, this one is from Revlon. This one's been out for a while. I know that I did a swatch video of the entire collection when it came out a couple years ago back in our previous house. These are the Ultra HD lipsticks. I love these. They smell like mango. The colors are beautiful. They're easy to apply. You don't need a lip liner. They're opaque with just a hint of sheen to them, not shine. Just they're not matte and they're not glossy. They're somewhere in the middle. They're beautiful, and I feel like anyone can find a color that fits their skin tone and their personal taste. They're great. No one talks about them. If you guys have been watching me for 6 months to a year, you'll know that I love the Revlon Powder Blush in Bronze Beauty as a bronzer. This is beautiful. No one talks about it. It's in the blush section, but it is a stunning bronzer. If you have a similar skin tone to me, definitely check this out. I think it's like $8 or $9, but they frequently have like a buy one get one free sale, which is when I always pick them up. So check it out. Another bronzing product that I can usually find at Walgreens, this is the Jordana Sculpt and Go Creamy Contour Stick in Light. It is definitely on the lighter end. If you have a deeper skin tone than me, you'd want to pick up the deeper shade, but I personally love this color because it is creamy, it is cool tone, it is affordable. I can apply this and go, nothing else is needed. I don't need a powder on top. Really stunning, really affordable. Nobody talks about it. Do I sound like a broken record yet? And finally, we have a lip product from e.l.f. They are the e.l.f. matte lip colors. I think the color selections are a little limited, but I usually get these in like a holiday set. I think one year I got 4 colors, another year I got 3, and a lip gloss or something. The shades that I personally love are Wine and Natural, these two. Whenever I wear this red one out, I get compliments. Like whenever I go to the MAC counter, they're always asking me what this is, and I'm like, it's e.l.f. And they're always so surprised because obviously the price point between e.l.f. and MAC is very different. And then this is for my more natural days. I love this one. They come, well, they normally come in like a point. Of course, I've worn mine down quite a bit, but they're affordable. The colors are really nice. Here's that Wine one. It's a beautiful fall and winter shade. Like I said, I always get compliments when I wear it out. And then here is Natural. Right here. It's like a Your Lips But Better color. You really can't go wrong with that one. So that's it for my hidden gems from the drugstore. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you're going to be picking up and trying any of the ones I've suggested here today. I'd love to know what you guys are interested in trying. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.